Let's remake Billie Bossa Nova by Billie Eilish in 1 hour. I'll show you how to create that beautiful guitar sound, how to make that bouncing beat, and how to make Billie's signature thick vocal sound. And if that wasn't enough, let's try and sing the lead vocals live. So let's see how that goes. I'm really looking forward to making more tracks in Billie's new album, so subscribe and hit the bell to see those as well. And as always, you can download the final project for free down below. Stopwatch, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's find our chords and our BPM. Chords!
C minor 7, 6, G minor 9, G, B flat major.
Key, G minor. BPM. Let's click along to the track.
And look at me a little more.
Those lyrics are so cool. BPM, 110. 7 minutes, 55 seconds. Not too bad. Could be better though. Create new track. Guitar. Great. Get our BPM to 110. Lovely. Let's record that in. Let's have a listen. Bit too distorted. Let's change that guitar sound. Boutique tweed is kind of nice. Let's chop that at both ends. Command D, and let's record the same thing except on the right. 2-finger click, stereo pan, drag from the bottom up to the top so it's 1 point, and let's pan that one to the left and the second one to the right. Yes, nailed it that time. Shorten that. Option, click and drag to duplicate. X to open up the mixer. Bring down that volume. Short and long reverb. 15 minutes, 22 seconds. Not too bad. Making solid progress. Software instrument, create. Classic electric piano. Turn up the reverb lots. This keys part is so nice. It's alternating between like an E flat minor to a G minor second inversion.
G, E flat, A, B flat, G, D, G, B flat, A, B flat, G, E flat, B flat, A, B flat, G, D, F, D.
Oh, that's it. So cool. One thing I do notice about this part, it is not quantized. It sounds very authentic, free off the grid. Select all the notes and bring down the velocity. I was getting a bit excited on the high notes. 19 minutes, 33 seconds. 33. Difficult in an Irish accent. Create a new software instrument. Go to one of our favorite synths, retro synth. We have a longer attack, only with some high cut as well. Nice. Long and short reverb, following the same chords as the guitar.
C minor 7. G minor 7
up to the B flat major. Oh, not too bad. 28 minutes, 40 seconds. Oh, that was a tricky one. Create new software instrument. You can use any drum machine you have. I'm going to use battery 4. Time to find some samples. Kick first. Let's go for an 808. Very good. Always good to tune your kicks. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Let's go with shaker. Ooh, capacitor turntable. Let's go for it. Ooh, shaker R&B sounds good as well. Ooh, that's nice. 3 are going to be on the right, 3 are going to be on the left. Duplicate those to the ones, pan on either side. Nice. And I'm just after realizing this pattern is slightly different. So it's... That's super cool. Now we need a kick. So battery, clicks. Ooh, brilliant. 5 and 4. Let's go for it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Also sounds like there's a ba-ba. Ooh, maybe we could tune Castanets. And then the second one is... Turn down the volume of those a little bit. Copy across the MIDI. That's so cool. All right. Drums after 36 minutes, 40 seconds. This is taking so long. Finding the right drum sounds always slows us down. Audio track and drag across our finger click. And it's on every 2 and 4. Hold option, drag across, and on the 4. Shorten the click so we don't hear the after sound. If we get our marquee tool, 2-finger click, drag across the bar, command or, and we duplicate it across. Adding reverb really helps this. I nearly forgot. We have a break here on the last bar of the pre-chorus. Mute those audio files, drag some of them back, copy all those across, and let them go to the end. They're starting to get there. This is sounding amazing. All drums after 38 minutes, 17 seconds. I'm definitely worried about the layers of vocals at the end. Those always take a bit of time. Create new track, software instrument, ES1 mono, synth bass, sub bass. It's very hard to hear the bass until you put headphones on actually in this track, which means it's usually quite low frequencies. Count it, let's give it a go. B, C, 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 E flat D, B flat G, 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 A, B flat C. Ooh, I made a few mistakes there. Q to quantize, so we have it alongside the kick. They're really working together. Functions, MIDI transform, fix velocity. Select and operate, just keep our low frequencies nice and steady. I'm hearing the guitars fighting a little bit with the sub in the lower frequencies, so I'm just going to cut a tiny bit more of those guitars. quite muddy. So to help the sub and the kick work together, we're going to do some EQ dips. So if I want the kick to be punchy, I'm going to have to dip the sub at that point. So I'm going to go 3 dB. And let's do the same with the drums. Now I probably should have the drums on all different tracks, but we're short on time. So let's just get a little thing here and drop the kicks or the drums at 60 and see if that gives more space for the bass then to come through at 60 hertz. Now we can hear the kick a little bit clearer, punching through and giving it a bit more energy. You can work in increments of 3 dB. 42 minutes, 55 seconds. Not too bad. We're certainly getting there. Let's try the retro synth again. Synth brass, slow swell brass. So shortening the cutoff point a little bit. And attack is not so long. Follow the main vocal line. So hard to say and play at the same time. Making it hard for myself. Quantize, functions, MIDI transform, fixed velocity. Select and operate. And there we go. I'm glad it's not fully quantized, keeping it a bit real. We'll give that a color as well. Vocal doubler synth, 45 minutes, 44 seconds. Tensions are tight at the top of the cue. We have a crash that sounds like this. Oh, that's perfect. Start at the third bar here in the pre-chorus. Control B, rev, crash. So now we have that sound bounced. We're going to go region, more, reverse. And this riser is going to go to the 4th beat of the 2nd bar. I might not give it the full shebang. So I'll cut off the end and let it drop off there. And we'll build it up from the beginning. Beautiful. We'll add a really quiet impact as well at the same time. The downbeat, and let's have him really quiet. You can barely hear him. It also sounds like a single note from this classic electric piano. So I'm going to duplicate, Command D, record a G. Sound toys, little plate, more reverb. Control B, let's bounce in place. Sounds before region, reverse. And we move him to the 4th beat where he stops. Perfect. Impacts and risers after 49 minutes, 38 seconds. We're running out of time. Bass and the kick are all muted until the drop. Add a white noise riser in there, and we have an auto filter opening up the high end up until the 4th beat. I made the white noise using a retro synth. We're only using oscillator 1 and our shape is down to the white noise. So as it comes up, the cutoff percentage gets higher and it's letting through more high frequencies. Let's give these a color. Love it. Ah, amazing. 53 minutes, 17 seconds. Oh, to have the voice of a Billie. A Billie? The Billie. Let's start with a double vocal, pan left. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight. Those lyrics are hard to say. Same thing at the right. Right. Makes me wanna take a picture, make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. Oh, this song is so cool. I love it. Bit of Saturn for saturation, tiny bit of compression with the OR-comp, and we have far too many buses, which include reverb, chorus, tape delay, and more delay. One more double down the middle. Lock your ooh, sensual. I'm feeling sensual, baby. 55 minutes, 28 seconds. We need some harmonies. Harmonies. Makes me wanna make a picture, make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. Ooh, that's so cool. Same guy at the right. Make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. Hey. 2 more. Pan very wide. Makes me wanna take a picture. One last one. That we'd have to hide. Click all of them, command, and drag across, and they're all faded. Wanna take a picture, make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. Could do with a bit of tuning, but we'll do that in the mixing stage. 58 minutes, 15 seconds. We're nearly out of time. We've got ooze in the chorus section. Ooh number 1. Another one of those. And we've got the harmony of that. Look at me. A little bit easier to sing, but no one else. At the other side. Look at me. It's a delicious reverb. 59 minutes, 45 seconds. I'm just after hearing it. There's a and it's used as like an impact. Create new instrument, audio, great. Record it in. Add reverb on the track. Amazing. And that happens on the 3rd beat of every 2nd bar. And that's time. Boom. Oh, yes. This song is so good. I love it. So many of you wanted it. Thank you for requesting it because it was a good choice. All right, let's sing the lead vocals live. Are to be rude not to. Here we go. And shout out to my wonderful patrons over on Patreon. Please like and subscribe. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight. Makes me wanna take a picture, make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. You better lock your phone and look at me when you're alone. Won't take a lot to get you gone. I'm sorry if it's torture. What is it about Billie and Finneas that they never miss? If you want to see more remakes from this album, they're all right there for you. There's like 8 of them now.